Hello everyone. Have you heard the news? Midjourney version 5.2 is out. Come on, let's try it out. Here are the updates for Midjourney version 5.2. There's a new aesthetic system with better coherence and sharper images, as well as increased diversity. The stylize command has also been fixed, so there is a stronger effect on the amount of stylization. It looks like there is also a high variation mode, which is now the default, which gives more varied generations. There's a shorten command to help you make more concise prompts, and a new zoom out feature. Oh, this is so exciting! Okay, no more talk. Let's test these out. First, we'll try out the shorten prompt. Just type \shorten and then the prompt you want it to analyze. My prompt is a beautiful blonde woman wearing a hat on the beach, smiling with an aspect ratio of 3:2. Now you'll get a few suggestions on how to make your prompt more concise. The words woman and wearing were crossed out, which means that they will have zero effect on the outcome of the image. If you want to see how each individual word is weighted, you can click on Show Details and it will break down the importance of each word in your prompt. It looks like in this prompt, the words hat and smiling were weighted the most, with the word blonde coming right after. I always thought the words at the front of the prompt were weighted more. I guess not. I'll pick the first suggested shortened prompt, which is blonde, hat on the beach smiling. All done. Let's upscale the third one. You can see that the upscaling buttons have changed. You can now pick between a strong variation or a subtle variation. We'll do the strong one first. Here's a comparison between the two. Now let's try the subtle variation. Here's a comparison of these two. Now we're gonna go back to the original upscaled photo and try zoom out ×2. Oh cool, I can see more of her body. And now today's biggest feature, the custom zoom. This feature allows you to alter your prompts and still retain the same look of your subject in the generation. I'm gonna give our girl a purse. Let's add the words with a purse to the prompt and see how that turns out. And here she is with a purse. It totally ignored the fact that I changed the aspect ratio to 2:3 though. Oh well, let's keep going until we get a full body. We'll upscale this first one. Let's add some cowboy boots to the mix. Oh, it finally changed the aspect ratio. The first one looks the least weird. Let's upscale the first one, and then we can see the final results. Here's the final comparison of what we started with and what we ended with. It looks like Midjourney gave her an extra purse in the end, but a girl can never have too many purses. With Midjourney's new zoom out feature, we can finally have a headshot that is consistent with a full body shot. The possibilities are endless. If you don't have Midjourney yet, you'll probably want to get it now. I hope you enjoyed today's show. Don't forget to subscribe to get notifications on the latest AI tool updates. See you soon!